today ang ating pag-uusapan is how to use the bit.ly. It's a program or an application where pwede po nating i-shorten yung ating links or ang ating URL. Example, kung mahahaba po yung mga URL natin na i-share and we don't want to reveal kung ano talaga yung website na i-share natin. Okay, so we will be using shortener for the URL. So I will introduce to you this bit.ly.com. Okay, so I advise you to create your own account. Ito kasi may account na tayo. Okay, so you can create and you can log in. So this has a free membership, and meron ding if you want to upgrade, you have to pay for additional payment. Okay, but you can still use the free version anyway. Hindi naman gaano kadami yung mga gagawin natin ng mga links or URL. Okay, so hanggat pwede pa nating mag-create, so walang problema, you can create as much as you can as long as hindi nag-exceed doon sa daily na allowed. Okay, so what is Bitly? Okay, so Bitly is an essential application for shortening and managing links. Its user-friendly interface and analytics feature provide valuable insights, convenient for sharing and tracking. Okay, so napaka-convenient po nito gamitin. Example, mahaba yung URL natin. Example, like I have to open this website. Okay, so medyo mahaba siya yung ating URL. So example, if I'm going to share this links at ayaw kong makita nila itong name ng website, or I don't want to type it na mahaba. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I have to copy this links, the URL, then we will create a new link. Okay, so example, nakapag-login na kayo, you have to click create new. Ayan, so here meron siyang link, then we have also the QR code. So pwedeng QR code na lang yung ano natin, itong i-share natin or links. Okay, so for link, i-click natin yung link. Okay, so you can paste here itong ating copy URL. You have to paste it here, then you can create a title or no title. So ganda kung merong title. Okay, you can name this title conversion house media. Then we have to click this create. Okay, so ito na po siya, nag-create na. So ito to, we will copy this link. Pwede mo na ito siyang i-share. So instead of sharing the longest URL, so you can shorten this. Okay, pwede mo siyang maiksian. kopya sa notepad, then later on pag gusto mo siyang i-share, you just copy and paste it. Okay. So example, I will share this one, or I will copy this one. I will paste it to another browser para makita natin kung anong resulta pag share natin. Then somebody will click the link kung totoo ba na the same pa rin yung site na ma-open. Okay, so ito yung conversionhousemedia.net. Okay, i-try natin i-paste dito yung sa bit.ly. Okay, bit.ly. We will paste the link that we created. Okay, so tingnan nyo. So the same URL, no? Meaning to say, pwede nating ma-hide, especially kung ayaw natin na makita agad nila yung i-share natin na URL, kasi yung iba ayaw nilang i-open pag video, kabisado na nila yung i-share mo na like mga opportunities or whatever. Okay, so you have to hide it. Then by creating a short link using the bit.ly.com. Okay, so guys, I suggest that you have to create your own account. Ayan, sa akin po madami na pong ilang taon ko na itong ginagamit. So napakarami na pong links yung na-create ko for this application, at I think I could not count, but I am still using the free version po. Okay, so I hope na may nakuha tayo nito, and see you po to the next vlog po natin. Okay.